Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I'll show you how you can contour and highlight your face with only this is my Eraser multi-use concealer, the concealer that you always use in your daily routine. One concealer, an undertone, two undertones lighter than this, and this is cream product or a liquid product for contouring to have a perfect highlighting and contouring your face. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into it. I have prepared my eyes, as you see, with my MUA Bronze Perfection, which is this. I have weared my lashes. I have weared my MAC Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. I have weared my Golden Rose High Definition Foundation and my MUA Pro Base Primer, and now I'm ready to show you how you have and you can contour and highlight your face, starting from my Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I'm taking the concealer that I usually use and starting to apply, watch me out please, some product on the inner part of the lid, some product on the outer part under the eye, and here on the inner part of the lid and on the outer part of the eye, on the bridge of the nose and between the brows, on the mustache area, and on the chin area, and two lines near the mouth as a mini lift. This is the concealer that I always use. You will use your concealer that you always use. I don't apply concealer to highlight my face under right the bottom eye area because I'm gonna cause wrinkles on the inner part, on the outer part, and as I have told you. Over that, I have a concealer to highlight two toned undertones lighter. This is the fair for me. For you, you will use your concealer on your undertone and one undertone lighter, and I will have some dots on the inner part and near the nose, as you see, not very much, just to highlight. Over some dots and some product over the other concealer, but less from this, which is more lighter, not very much, just to have some more brilliance with that, as you see. We leave it as it is, and now we are going these two concealers, one on our undertone and two undertones lighter. Continue, as I have told you in this today's video, I will show you how you can highlight and contour your face, continuing with my MUA Bronze Cream Bronzer Espresso. This is my cream contouring. You can also use, I have another liquid by Monreal. I usually use it in the winter. This time in the summer I use cream contouring. When you want to have a very nice contouring, you will use a liquid or cream product at the beginning. Taking this angled brush, one big angle on the one side, one shorter angle on the other side, and taking my product, watch me out please, taking some product with my angled brush, as you see, some product, take much, and starting to contour your face from the other part of your ear till your cheekbone. Take this motion with your hand, as you see, will contour from the upper part of the ear till our cheekbone, this straight line. I pull a line till that point. This is a dark, the espresso, so we don't need much product. Doing the same to my other ear. This. Some dots, don't need much on the forehead, and on our dough line some dots, as you see. This is the right way. And with the other shorter angled brush, the other side, I will take some product and I will pull two lines on the part of the nose. Just two lines. As you see, this is the technique. First, we start with our highlighting of the face with our two concealers, and then I'm taking, as you see, take that motion. Do this type of your hand, and you will see how you can do the line from the upper part of the ear till where your cheekbone ends, and the other side. Some dots on your forehead and on your jawline area. And now we are going to take our, we start to apply this with our angled brush. Start with an angled brush and continue now to apply them with our beauty wet blenders. Of course, we start to apply first the highlighters, taking my wet always beauty blender and start to apply the product. As you see, start from the inner part of the eye to apply the product. Don't need much concealer, don't be confused, because I see some girls that they apply concealer right straight on your base of your eye. If you go try to do concealer on this area, the first thing is that you will cause wrinkles, and the other is that you will have so much not light face, so much flashback on your face that you will not need it. You only need a product like I told you, and applying first the product of the highlighting. You see how I apply the product. Always not with brushes at first, with my beauty blender. Of course, before that I have applied my foundation, primer foundation, as I have told you. And the right makeup for you, my friends, is always to start from your eyes. Start to paint your eyes, complete your eyes makeup look, and then go to your face. As you see, I have left it 1-2 minutes till I have applied my contouring, and the product, it is very, very nice. And then with my other beauty blender, because I don't mix the two of them, I start with tap, tap, tap motions from the under part, tap, tap, tap motions and quick and up. Tap, tap, tap motions and up, up, up. This is the right tap, tap, tap motions and up to our ear. Look how it is applied nicely and beautifully. And from the other part, tap, tap, tap motions from the under part till the upper part. And don't be afraid, because it's a little dark, you will fix it so nicely with your beauty blender, so don't be afraid, you will have the best result. Tap, tap, tap and up. Tap, tap, tap and up. On my forehead, of course, as you see, tap, 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 quick motions, because the liquid and cream products are getting dry very, very soon. Tap, tap, tap and up. Not lift down. Lift and drop up. As you see, the product, it is applied nicely and beautifully and easily. And on our nose, and of course, on our jawline area. It is very easy. This product, we lift it a little down on our neck, for the reason you can have to apply this as your bronzer, to have some very nice bronzer touch and on your neck. Do you see how easy it is? It is very easy. This is the result. I will continue with my powder products and I will talk to you. And for that, start. Concealer, the concealer you use usually to do your work. Lighter concealer, this is fair. two undertones lighter than your natural tone. Continuing with, this is cream bronzer, liquid or cream. This is cream bronzer, cream contouring, or liquid bronzer to do your very nice contour. And also you can have in the market and stick products, but I prefer these. These are to have the perfect contour. This flat angled brush you need, and your beauty wet blender. And our work is ready. We continue our makeup. Now after that I'm continuing to take my eyebrow loose powder, in which powder I'm going to set up my face. This is very easy for you, my friend, especially if you are a beginner. This type of contouring and highlighting, you must do this if you want to have a perfect makeup look. Now I'm setting up the whole area. One other tip for you is, when you want to set up your area with powders under our eye, we use only loose powder to avoid, as we have told, the wrinkles, because loose powders are more lighter than the compact. The compact powders, we use them to set up the rest of the face. As you see, I'm setting up my face now with my loose powder. Before I continue with my bronzer and the other things, I'm taking my pressed powder to have some touch of that. I will set up the rest of the face, and with my pressed powder, not the eyes, we have told that. And we continue after that on our bronzer, because we cannot leave our liquid or cream products like they are. I'm taking my MUA Bronze Perfection, my powdery bronzer, and with the same way I always tap off the excess of the product and starting to apply it up and with tap motions, up and slowly and slightly. As you see, this is the right technique. Quick, round motions and upwards. On our forehead, on the same points, we have applied the cream product. Up, upwards, quickly and round motions. This is the right way. Watch me out on our nose. I'm gonna take this type of angled flat brush, my bronzer, and I will start from the inner part of the brow to do a line, as you see, from the inner part of the brow, and I pull down a straight line. This is our nose contouring. From the inner part, pull down a straight line, and from the other part, as you see, I start when the brow begins and pull a straight line onto the nose. Then I will do one on the bridge of the nose, one line, and on the end of the nose here some line. This is the right way to contour our nose. But you only need an angled brush. This is a flatter brush than the others to contour our nose. And I start from the inner part, pull down a straight line and a line in the middle of the nose. This is the contouring of our nose. Now, after I have done with my bronzer, I'm continuing with my blush, which is a very nice coral blush, because I have to end my makeup look. I don't leave it like it is. Then I'm continuing with my highlighter. I'm going to apply that on the cheekbones, one dot on the nose, between the brows, and on the cupid's bow. I have to end up with my bottom eye area. So I take my bronzer again and I will apply some product on my bottom eye area just to finish with the eye makeup. Every makeup you have done on your eyes, you will have it on your bottom eye area. I'm taking one of my black lines, black pencils for my eyes, just to apply on the bottom line area, on the waterline. You need that. Then I'm gonna take my mascara just to have one coat on my bottom eye, just one coat, you don't need much. This is enough. And of course, continuing with my lips. This is a very nice dark nude lip liner. In this look, we need that. And a very nice by Mia Cosmetics nude lipstick, as you see. My Usa setting spray, because this is the last step we always need to have and to do to make our makeup last during the whole day. And my friend, this is a complete daily look. In this video, I show you how you have to highlight and contour your face. I hope that this video will be very explanating for you. If you have some questions, ask me in the comment below. If you want something else for you, to explain you, to do a video for you on how you can do something else, ask me please and I will do that for you. So my friends, if you love that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!